Are you trying to type letters in the iPhone phone app but only seeing numbers? Here's how to do it the right way. This is useful when you're calling numbers with letters in them, like customer service lines or vanity numbers. First, unlock your iPhone and open the phone app. Tap on the keypad at the bottom. You'll notice that each number has letters underneath it. For example, 2 has ABC, 3 has DEF, and so on. To type letters, you don't actually switch keyboards. You just press the number that matches the letter. For example, if you want to type flowers, you would press the numbers that correspond to each letter. So F would be 3, L is 5, O is 6, and you continue that pattern for the rest of the word. This is mainly used for dialing branded phone numbers like 1-800-Flowers. If you want to save it, you can also store the contact using letters in the name so it's easier to recognize later. Additionally, to dial it faster, have the number on your messaging or notes app. Then simply copy the number and open the phone app once again and paste it. The number should look like this. Keep in mind, the iPhone automatically converts letters to numbers when dialing, so you don't need to worry about formatting. And that's it. That's how you type letters in the iPhone phone app. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.